Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a fascinating journey into the past, to proud, beautiful Scotland in the middle of 19th and early 20th centuries. These amazing collection of the real, oldest and most interesting photos illustrate magnificent landscapes, street scenes and architectural masterpieces of the unique Scotland's heritage. Every image has been colorized, enhanced and bustling with life. Hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Have an amazing time.
It was on a Friday evening, I was down on Ashton Lane, feeling sorry for myself, busking in the rain. I was singing for my supper, singing for another beer, all the usual hits that the punters like to hear. I went into Ginty McGinty's, Jim Cassidy was there. His coat was ripped and his tooth was chipped, but he didn't seem to care. You're a sorry sight, I told him as he swayed from side to side. And I'll tell you what, my friends, I wasn't far behind. And he said, tell me what's your name again, I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot. But I'll wake up tomorrow and I'm sure the sun will shine. Till then I'll drown my sorrows in a bottle of cheap red wine. Sure that I was the next day, and oh how my stomach turned. I was thinking of the drinking and the bridges that I'd burned. I woke up with odd shoes on, saying how did it come to this? But I don't remember, and you know they say ignorance is bliss. So I looked around, there's Jim again, he's crawling across the floor, looking for his marbles that he lost the night before. And there in the bed beside me, much to my surprise, was a wee face that I could have sworn that I recognised. So I said, tell me what's your name again, I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot. But I'll wake up tomorrow and I'm sure the sun will shine. Till then I'll drown my sorrows in a bottle of cheap red wine. Well, the drowning of your sorrows is good fun for a while, loosening your morals in true Glaswegian style. You talk a load of naan bread, every man's your friend. Then the next day you wake up and say, I'll never drink again. And some are mad for the whiskey, some prefer the beer, some will do just about anything for even stronger gear. But me, I swore I was at it, I swore I was gonna stop. No, no, I say never again will I touch another drop. Oh, but that was now a week ago, and I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot. But I'll wake up tomorrow, and I'm sure the sun will shine. Till then I'll drown my sorrows in a bottle of cheap red wine. Oh, will you tell me what's your name again? I seem to have forgot. See, I've been sinking Guinness now for 6 days on the trot.
So thank you very much for watching. I think Scotland is a great, beautiful country with many promising years ahead. If you enjoy this video, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that you take your time to come watch. I love doing this for you. Take care and have a great day.